Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what we have today, we're going to try out a little jet boat. But in order to get it to the water, trailer had to be built, boat had to be built, the propeller had to be found. Look at that. Junk. Anyways, yeah. I'll give you guys a quick little tour of the jet boat and the trailer. Undo that elastic. Undo this guy. Just gonna set it under where it goes. This is cool. It's a 3D print. Because I'm at a loss for the name of the fellow that designed it, or the person that designed it, I'll throw the name on the screen right now. Good design. I like it. Unlike the other one where I got the whole pump unit, the jet pump unit, as a modular unit. It was on its own. This is built in. It's incorporated into the build. And I had to go a few different steps than what he requested, or the designer requested. Instead of the 3D printed shaft, I went with a nice steel 3mm shaft. That might even be 5. Yeah, that's like 5. A good coupler. I can't remember the kilovolt of the motor or the amp of the ESC. I got a little radio gear in here. I got my battery tester. It's going to be running on just a small 2S battery, which is for some reason way up there. We'll worry about that when we get closer to the water. I'll have to open it up and turn it all on so the movie magic works, you know? So that's, without further ado, let's get it down to the water. I've only tub tested this, so I'm very, very curious to see how it goes. Oh yeah, I added this little bubble right here to accommodate for the only micro servo and horn that I had that would work together. Hopefully, yeah, I don't know, that's gonna be like I don't know if that's going to be a permanent work together thing or if it's going to fail today, but that's why we're here. We're going to see if it'll fail or not. Because the trailer, it's meant for more of a fishing boat. So the geometry of the trailer, as you can tell, doesn't quite line up, but it still works. That's why I'm using it. Oh yes, being pulled by my SCX 10.3 Gladiator, in case you guys are new. 1200 kilovolt fusion setup running on a massive 3S battery. Metal axles underneath. I can't really see it too well from here. And a bit of weight added. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Alright, let's get down to the water. It's looking like this is probably going to be our best area to launch. We can back it right into here. I know the Gladiator will do that, no problem. And then we can play in this little spot right here. It's a little different than how it was laid out last year, but I like it better this year. And we could even launch on the side, but I want it to be where there's no current. Make it easier. Alright, so I'm going to get the boat set up, and then we'll get to launching. This will be cool. This will be the first time I've ever done this, and I couldn't do it without sharing it with you guys. You know that. Try to make sure I get it right where I Listen to that Jake. Oh my goodness, that Jake brake. Alright, down to the water. Okay, we're gonna try to do this as smooth as possible. So the boat don't just slide off. I guess I better grab my transmitter. Hold on to your butts. It keeps trying to come with the truck. There we go. Get that out of the way. Alright, first test of the JetBoat, just in this nice little stuff right here. It's not a full-out ripper, but it's still, for a little 3D printed, using parts I had laying around. Just playing this current a little bit right here. Alright, let's head her up into this current a little more. Pushing a lot of water at that front end. It's not so bad. Okay, we're gonna shoot for under that tree. Ready? Oh wait, I guess I better get it in frame a little better. Maybe get a little better shot. How about here? We'll shoot under there. Ready? Here we come. Oh, a lot of current right through there. Get a little shallow right here though. I don't know if we can do this. No, that's the max of my throttle right there. Oh, come on, you can do it, you can do it. It did it. It did it. It's a little ripper. Okay, I'm gonna bring her back downstream, go to where we docked, check on some temperatures, because I honestly don't know if my cooling system is working in here. So if we're just one-handed, it's gonna shoot right through. You watch, I don't even have to really give it much throttle. Woo! Clearing some limbs along the way. Oh, this is much more fun than my sprint jet. I had one of those sprint jets and they're a lot of fun, but this guy so far, yeah, that's pretty much a hoot. Let's try something here to check on it. I'll do this proper, same as we would if we had to bring it back in, pull it off, put it on a trailer and all that. Yeah, I just want to do it. Trailer is floating. Okay. That's how it should have been the first time. Let's have her a look at it. Let's have her a look at it, I say. All right. Got a little bit of tree on there, that's fine. Let's see how full of water it might be. Oh! Battery's not warm. ESC actually is fairly decent, and motor is touchably cool, so that's not bad. Okay, so it wasn't as much water as it looked like. Everything's baggied, so I'm hoping it'll be fine. She goes boom out there, at least I'm not really out a whole lot. Okay, let's put her back in the water. I have an idea. I was wondering if I wouldn't mind going down to where our crawler spot is and trying the boat down there, but I don't know if I've got a launch down there. Okay, we got 3 schools of thought here. Load it back up on the trailer, like it is. Strap it down. Go down there and see if I can or cannot launch it down under the bridge, because there's a cool little split spot I'd like to try and hit. And failing that, I could just run the boat partway down, let it sit, have it still turned on and everything, and just drive my truck down. I mean, there's a path going down there and everything. I could just do that. Might be easier. Or I could just play here. But we've already done this. Mission accomplished already. I got another thing in mind. Let's go try it. Okay, we're going under the bridge. Boat is still turned on. It's only gonna take a minute to get down there. Bit of a mini rock crawl out. Oh, watching the camera, not watching the truck. Well, that was unexpected. I don't think I can crawl a trailer down there safely. But I would really like to run down through this stuff here. It looks fun. And I know that I can get the truck out there. I can get down there, that's not too tough. But I wanted to be over here. Let's try over here. I think we could have some fun in here. But this might be a fun spot, but the launch now is what's got me. There's current here. My launch is just gotta sweep it downstream. That would be ideal if these sticks weren't here, then I could just launch it right here and drive through. Into the current, in and out of the current. Give me a minute. So this is gonna be one of the sketchiest launch areas you'll probably see done scale. But it's part of that challenge that I enjoy. Nice and easy down here. And you'll see what I mean when we go to launch. There's a very, very tight window to squeeze through into the out there, if you know what I mean, like to get out into the current. Alright, skunky launch number 1. Here we go. Okay, we'll let that bob there for a minute. Here's where we got to get out through. So, a time like the present to show you guys. Yeah, we did it. The first challenge, try and get up here. need 2 hands for this. I gotta put the camera down. Uh-oh, we just lost all jet drive. That's not good. Alright, so I guess that could be considered a hand of God rescue, right? What happened? Something locked it up in there. A stick, maybe? No, it's an actual rock. Okay, so it's gonna take some work. Funny thing is, I don't see anything in there, but it may have caused damage or made it slip off to the side somehow. Okay, well, it was fun while it lasted. Don't go through the shallows. Yeah, I almost dumped that right on the transmitter. Damn. Okay, well, I guess next will be to 3D print a guard for on here to keep that from ever happening again. But I mean, a fix is only a 3D print away, unless I warped the impeller shaft. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I can't really put it back in the water and perform a loading back up, so just throw it on the trailer and get a shot of it driving out of here. Oh, final tip for you guys that might want to make your own boat trailers. This is a boat trailer. Pretty cool, eh? Wet sandpaper, 1000 grit. And it just gives it just enough grip and still lets it slide a little when you go to launch it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. More boat videos coming up. This is actually pretty cool. I really enjoyed this little experiment. It's all about testing and figuring it out and seeing what you're gonna need to make it possible. No problem. See you guys later.